Hello, welcome to all on Aadhar Academy. Today we are going to learn about the stability of the naval ships. Before this, we have already learned how this gyroscopic couple acts on a bearing, as well as how this will affect the stability of the aeroplanes. So let's start with the naval ships. So this is the top view. Here it is shown. This is the front of the ship, and that is we termed as a fore end, or it is also named as a bow of the ship. Front of the ship, this is known as a fore end or bow of the ship, and the rear back side of the ship we termed as a rear end, or in other one more name we called as a stern of a ship. So this is the nomenclature that we will use. Front of the ship we called as a fore end, rear side we called as a rear end or stern. And suppose if someone looking from the rear side of the ship, so this will be your direction of viewing. This will be your direction of viewing, and from here, this left side of the ship we term as a port side, and the right side we called as a starboard side of the ship. This is the port side and this is your starboard side. Along the length this particular axis we called as a longitudinal axis, and along the width this axis we refer as a transverse axis of the ship. So two axes, longitudinal axis and transverse axis. This is the our reference frame. This will be we represent as a x axis, this y, and this axis we as a z axis. So this is the टॉप व्यू ऑफ ए naval ship. यहाँ पे जो ड्रॉ किया है दिस इज द टॉप व्यू ऑफ अ naval ship. So that means this view is visible in the plane xz. ये जो टॉप व्यू है it is visible in the plane of in x and z. So for the study of the gyroscopic couple, let's first look what are the possible motion, what kind of possibilities of motion in a naval ships. So the first possibility of the motion is first, that is the steering of the ship. Second possibility of the motion is pitching of the ship. Second is the pitching of the ship, and third motion is rolling of the ship. So these are the three different kinds of motion that are possible in a naval ship. Steering means the movement of entire ship towards left and right. जब ये ship left या right move करेगा, that means left and right it is visible from y axis. Left and right it is visible from the y axis, and that particular motion of the ship we called as a steering. While if we, this is the top view, if we look from the front side of the ship, if we look this ship from the front side, let us say this is the top view of the ship. So when this ship is moved, suppose it is left side, so movement of the ship towards left and right, इस तरह से अगर ship movement कर रहा हुआ है इस तरह से, so it is visible from the top and we refer as it is the steering of the ship from the top. and the precision axis will be on, precision axis कहाँ पे होगा, it will be on y axis. But if you look from the front से ऐसा दिखेगा ship, and suppose the entire ship is moving in the vertical plane towards up and down, ये इस तरह से movement हो रही है इसकी, towards up and down. So that is referred, that we called as a, it is the pitching of the ship. Ship का movement vertically upward and vertically downward, so that is pitching. And if you look from the side, इस side से देखें, like this, if this ship का जो movement है वो इस तरह से हो, ये इस तरह से है, इस तरह से clockwise या anti clockwise अगर ये rotate करे, ये इस तरह से, ये इस तरह से rotate करे, so that we called as a rolling of the pitch, rolling of the pitch. So एक तो ऐसे हो गया, this is the steering, moving steering हो गया, एक तो इस तरह से हो गया, ये क्या हो गया, पिचिंग हो गया. और यहाँ से देखेंगे अगर ये शिप इस तरह से रोल हो रहा है, सो दैट इज रोलिंग ऑफ द शिप. So one by one we will try to find out how this gyroscopic couple affect steering of the ship, pitching of the ship and rolling of the ship. So let us first take effect of the gyroscopic couple in steering mechanism. So first let us look, we need this diagram, so that is why let us first take steering of the ship, steering of the ship, steering of ship. So magnitude of the couple, it is calculated in the same way, this, that will be I times of omega into omega p, where I, it is the mass moment of inertia, mass moment of inertia of rotating parts, mass moment of inertia of the rotating parts. Omega, it is the angular velocity of, it is the angular velocity of rotating parts, angular velocity of rotating parts. And omega p, it is the angular velocity of precision, angular velocity of precision. So magnitude, for the magnitude we will use same that we have derived the expression for gyroscopic couple, that is C times of I, C equal to I times of omega into omega p. So magnitude में problem नहीं है. So let us look for the direction. So we are assuming here, let this rotor, it is rotating, suppose it's rotates in clockwise direction. So let this rotor is rotating in clockwise direction. So this is rotating in clockwise direction, and suppose this ship is taking left turn. So ship is taking left turn. So let us first draw the spin vector. So डायरेक्शन ऑफ व्यूइंग इस साइड से देख रहे हैं, एंड दिस रोटर क्लॉकवाइज में रोटेट हो रहा है, इस तरह से रोटेट हो रहा है क्लॉकवाइज अगर इधर से देखेंगे. सो दिस विल बी योर डायरेक्शन ऑफ सेंस, और थंब दैट विल गिव यू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द स्पिन वेक्टर. सो वेक्टर विल बी along positive x axis. So spin vector, so this is your point O. So in this particular direction, this along x axis we have a spin vector. So spin vector or axis, it is along x axis. What about precision? So this is taking a clockwise turn. So clockwise turn, that means precision will be on positive y axis. So precision will be on positive y axis, y, capital Y. So this is your positive y axis. So on the x axis, this is precision axis. So x axis पे स्पिन वेक्टर आ गया, y एक्सिस पे प्रेसिजन आ गया. दैट मीन्स gyroscopic couple will be on z axis. So gyroscopic couple will be on z axis. So क्या करना है, अगेन स्पिन वेक्टर किधर आया, इस साइड में आया, पॉजिटिव एक्स में. इसको क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट करना है, क्लॉकवाइज बाय 90 डिग्री. सो वी मूव टूवर्ड्स negative z, make it opposite. So that means it will be on positive z. So this positive z, this is z, that will be your, and the sense will be your, if you look from the, so this will be your sense. स्पिन वेक्टर किधर है, स्पिन वेक्टर पॉजिटिव एक्स है, उसको 90 डिग्री घुमाया क्लॉकवाइज, नेगेटिव जेड, रिवर्स किया डायरेक्शन, पॉजिटिव जेड का सेंस अभी ऐसे आया. सो पॉजिटिव, सॉरी इस साइड आया. सो पॉजिटिव दैट मीन्स एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, फ्रॉम द फ्रंट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सो दिस विल बी योर सेंस. सो ऑन दिस शिप व्हाट विल बी इट्स इफेक्ट. सो शिप ये इस तरह से रहा, ये इस तरह से शिप है, समझो इसको, ये इस तरह से शिप है. ये मेरा क्या रहा, ये मेरा स्पिन वेक्टर रहा, इसको घुमाया तो ऐसे हो गया, नेगेटिव जेड, अपोजिट बनाया तो ऐसे हो गया. तो अभी ये डायरेक्शन है, ये एरो ये इंडिकेट कर रहा है दिस इज योर. सो अभी कैसा सेंस होगा, ये इस तरह से सेंस होगा, ऐसे किया तो ये थंब इस साइड आया. सो दिस विल बी योर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. दिस मीन्स दिस पोर्शन विल गो अप साइड एंड tail of the ship that will go downside. So effect will be, it will be raise the bow and lower the stern. So आगे वाला पोर्शन ऊपर जाएगा एंड लोअर पोर्शन जो है वो नीचे की साइड जाएगा. सो दिस इज फॉर लेफ्ट मूवमेंट. सपोज केस 2 वी टेक, सपोज फॉर राइट टर्न, सिर्फ लेफ्ट की बजाय इफ इट इज टेकिंग राइट टर्न तो क्या होगा, राइट टर्न, दिस इज योर शिप. Now it is making right turn. So for right turn, first draw the spin vector, no problem, spin will remain same. This is your point O and this will be your spin axis. Precision will be on negative y, so that is your y dash. So obviously gyroscopic couple will be on z axis. Again दिस इज योर स्पिन वेक्टर, इसको रोटेट किया, ये आया, इसको अपोजिट बनाया, दैट इज ऑन नेगेटिव जेड एक्सिस. सो ऑन दिस एक्सिस जेड डैश, सो दैट विल बी योर रिएक्टिव gyroscopic couple. So on this axis you have reactive gyroscopic couple. उसका सेंस कैसा होगा, ये इस तरह से होगा. दैट मीन्स front will go down and back will go up. So it will effect will be lower the bow and raise the star. So just opposite, रटना नहीं है, बस you keep in mind. First you draw spin vector. spin vector हमने ड्रॉ किया, उसको 90 डिग्री से रोटेट किया इन राइट साइड में, दैट मीन्स क्लॉकवाइज में इस साइड में आ गया. सो ऑन नेगेटिव जेड एक्सिस ये मेरा हो गया, दिस इज नेगेटिव जेड, पॉजिटिव जेड, इसका अपोजिट बनाया, सो दैट बिकम्स नेगेटिव जेड एंड दिस विल बी योर सेंस. मीन्स आगे वाला पोर्शन नीचे की साइड जाएगा, पीछे वाला पोर्शन ऊपर की साइड जाएगा. सो इन दैट वे वी फाइंड द इफेक्ट ऑफ द gyroscopic couple on naval ship during steering. Magnitude we will calculate from दिस फार्मूला में कोई चेंज नहीं, इट इज सिमिलर टू I, mass moment of inertia. Omega, it is the angular speed of rotating parts. Omega, it is the angular speed of rotating parts, and on omega p, it is the angular velocity of precision. So we calculate magnitude from this particular formula, and for direction draw the spin vector. स्पिन वेक्टर ड्रॉ करेंगे, रोटेट स्पिन वेक्टर इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्रिसिजन बाय 90 डिग्री फॉर एक्टिव गायरोस्कोपिक कपल, and reverse the direction for reactive gyroscopic couple. So in that way we find the direction of the gyroscopic couple. Thank you.